Hey guys, this is Andy with the new video. We're out here at one of our shops here in Arkansas. We're kind of gonna just do a quick tour. So behind me I got Anthony, we're Andy's buildings. He's an ambassador, and we actually brought a special guest today, Kim. Most of you guys know Kim she's a sales representative at Andy's buildings, and we're just gonna kind of do a quick tour. They'll ask me questions, so all right guys, let's go in there and kind of see what we have.
Okay, let's go.
What do you think, Anthony?
I think it's a nice fabrication shop.
All right, let's do it. Let's check it out. So this shop here, if y'all notice, it actually has, it's like a texture on here.
Wow.
Oh, that's different.
So it's kind of like rhino line, what they call it.
Yeah.
They put it on trucks, but it's more of a rough instead of smooth.
Yeah.
That's one thing I wanted to show you guys.
That's nice. When you start building these barn mediums, are y'all gonna start using this on the barn medium? Because this is the first time I seen this.
Yeah, this is the first one. We're gonna start offering this.
Oh wow, that's nice, that man.
This style right here is just something different.
Yeah.
In all colors.
I like the texture. Yeah.
I know there's certain colors, and if someone inquires, we'll kind of leave them on the right way.
Let's go inside. Okay. This fabrication shop here, what size is the is this a 50 by 70 or something like that?
Yeah, that's correct.
Correct.
Man.
Oh man, great.
Okay. Yeah, so this is a 50 by 70 shop here. Here's where we actually started. This other one next door, and the reason why we're out here is kind of started small and we keep expanding. So this is the new addition on here, but right next door here where you see the other sheet panels, that's the older shop, which we now just have storage. Use it as storage.
Yeah.
We got our forklift here. We kind of handle all the trusses. That's our welder. We got our bender over here, which this will bend, your trusses. So you put your square steel, right here, and then this die is what punctures it and bends it. You see right here?
Yes. That's where you make your angles.
That's where you make your angles right there. We're out here because the stuff that people don't see.
Right.
This is the stuff that you don't see. We got some 30-foot wide trusses there for some buildings we got going on.
Is that your that machine over there? That's the machine that cuts the nail off.
Yes.
Steel.
So that's a bandsaw right there. And basically it has different options where you can cut the steel at different angles, kind of like you see right there.
Yep.
That way everything's nice and squared off.
Yep. Looks pretty squared off to me. I mean, that's pretty nice. You're doing a good job on that.
Just like the previous videos, man, we bring you out here to ask kind of questions because this is kind of normal to me,
Okay, so basically, and you got this out here so you can get the local customers, so they won't have such a long wait, right?
Yeah,
Basically.
Exactly. So we have 3 right now, 3 to 4 shops, kind of like this, and this is the one here in Arkansas. We get asked if they're prefabbed or Kim, chime in. Do you have any any insight on that, more on the customer side?
Yeah, I mean, they ask if they're prefabbed or if they're already built, when they come out. They ask the kind of material that we use. Especially on these commercial sized buildings, how far out these come. The ladder legs, you know.
Yeah, with this being a commercial size, you know, building, it does have the what we call ladder, and like you said, these come out 12 inches, which we have another video showing that. Yeah, all of our framing, 14 gauge. 14 gauge. We do have. Let's walk over here because. So if we get this is your standard 2x2 square steel, and this is kind of how we connect everything. It slides in there like that, and that's this is a 2.5 by 2.5, and this sleeve right here is 2.25 by 2.25. So that way we can slide it in like so.
And then you can also do double legs.
Yeah, so yeah, you're correct. So if we do double legs, the other one would pretty much go right beside it, and it would right there. So now you'll have a 2.5 by 5.5 stud or truss, you know, however you wanna call it. But this right here, this is our standard 30-foot wide truss design. This is standard. We do offer other options, other styles.
312 pitch.
This is a 312 roof pitch. You know, we offer up to 612. That's what it looks like whenever you want your studs to have a 10, 12, 14 foot opening instead of every 5 feet. As we can see here, these sleeves that you see here, that's where the truss lands. And then down here at the bottom is where your legs will be. So that way all this down here, you know, you can walk in and out without going over a stud.
Andy, how long have you had this shop here?
This one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Well, I've been working here with Jose at this shop now for I want to say 3 years now.
3 years, okay.
Here at this one. 4 years.
Wow.
Right at 4 years.
So basically ever since you started, it's
Yeah,
kind of,
pretty much
it's kind of what's your
since
what's your base
Yep,
when you
that's
got started.
correct.
Yeah.
So
That's
we've
great.
been here, and like I said, we kind of started off on that other side here, slowly expanding.
Yeah, like to me, they got plenty of room in here to do whatever they want to do.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And you got a nice high door there, so they can.
Yeah, that's a 14-foot door, so you could pretty much fit in like a dump truck in here or semi,
RV.
an RV.
All
We
right.
got some new AD merch.
They could wear
Nice.
those right now.
Yeah.
Nice hats.
Cold
And
enough.
these are work really well right now.
Oh yeah, these are the thick ones.
Okay. Yeah.
So, all
I'm
right,
not wearing mine.
well, we'll just set them out here where they weld, and
They have a nice little surprise.
yeah, I guess right here.
Right up here. You can't miss them.
Yeah.
If we sit them.
This crew does a really, really good job too on
yeah.
their installs.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, they do a great job.
And you
All
only
right.
mess with the best.
Yeah.
You only mess with the best workers. The best. As I always say, buy Andy's Builders. Y'all have a good day.
All right. See you, man. On to the next one.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Peace.